So you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, but you don't want to make just a little money. You want to make a lot of money, right? There are certain niches that pay a lot more money per 1,000 views on your channel. In this video, you'll get 10 of the highest CPM niches on YouTube. What exactly is CPM? It's the amount of money that you get paid per 1,000 views on your channel. Of course, this happens after you apply and get accepted into the Google AdSense program, which is when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then advertisers will pay to place ads on your videos, and you earn a certain percentage of that ad revenue. This can be a great side income for you that will allow you to pay the bills easier and just make your life easier, or it can turn into a full-time income for you and you can replace your job and be able to work from home. We're going to go over these high CPM niches so you can make a decision on which niche you want to go into. But make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you how you can double and even triple your income. So let's go ahead and get started right now. The first high CPM niche is make money online, and the reason advertisers pay so much is there's so many different areas to make money online. An example channel is Make Money Girl, and she never shows her face. She makes videos about a lot of topics, of course, on how to make money online. Make Money Online is my niche, and you can see on my channel that my CPM is very high for the last 28 days. It's 61.21. And there are some topics like ClickBank affiliate marketing that will pay you even more than that. For example, this video has a super high CPM at over $114. The lower CPM channels will make around $2 to $3 per 1,000 views, and a channel like mine can make over $60 per 1,000 views. So you can see this is a very big difference in the amount of money that can be made. So even though you see channels that are getting a lot of views, if the CPM on their channel is at the lower end, like $3 per 1,000 views, you can see that it would take a lot of views to get a good amount of money. That's why smaller channels can make a lot of money with a smaller amount of views because they are in a higher CPM niche. Another great thing about the Make Money Online niche is that you can monetize easily with affiliate products that would be of interest to someone looking to make money online. I made a lot of money this way on my channel long before I was paid through Google AdSense. If we take a look at the description of these videos on this channel, we'll see there's no affiliate products in the description. I'm not sure why, because they're missing out on a lot of money that could be made essentially on autopilot. I've made so many commissions on autopilot just from having a link in the description of my videos. And don't think this type of channel is too competitive or saturated, because there will always be people looking to make money online and advertisers willing to pay good money to place ads on your videos because YouTube ads are very targeted. The next high CPM niche is health and wellness, and I will say the more specific you can get in your selection of your channel, the better. For example, if you have a channel about building muscle rather than random general topics, that's better, because the more niche specific you are, the easier it is for Google to place ads on your videos and the more money you're likely to make. Here's an example of a channel in this niche, Body Hub. The reason this is such a high CPM is because advertisers know people want to improve their health. By placing ads in these type of videos, they get a great return on their investment. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn step-by-step how to create a profitable faceless YouTube channel or make a lot of money with your current channel, I have a free masterclass. That'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. Let's say you are in a network marketing company that sells products for health and wellness. This would be the perfect type of channel to start. And besides getting paid really good money from Google AdSense, you can also put a link to your products in the description of your videos. And if you take a look at their videos, you can see these videos are not difficult to make, but they get a lot of views. And if we take a look at the description of their videos, we can see they're not monetizing through affiliate products. This would be very easy to monetize by placing affiliate links from ClickBank, Digistore, or Amazon in the description of their videos, and they can be making a lot more money than just with ads. But with over 1.5 million views a month on their channel, depending on their CPM, they would be making $5,000 to $10,000 or more a month. Cryptocurrency is definitely a trending topic to create a YouTube channel around, and I think it will be a high CPM for a long time. It's definitely something a lot of people are interested in, and advertisers will pay a lot to place ads on these videos. An example channel is Crypto Gains. So if you're interested in this topic, this is a great channel to take a look at. And you can see, besides making money through the Google AdSense program, they're monetizing in several ways. One of which is merchandise using print on demand through Redbubble, which is free to set up. You can see their links are here. There are definitely a lot of possibilities with this niche to monetize. For example, if you're part of an affiliate program in cryptocurrency, you can place your link in the description of your videos and make money that way as well. And if you do a Google search for cryptocurrency affiliate programs, you can see there are 23 right here. The next high CPM niche is cars. You can either talk about cars like this channel, Bladed Angels, or you can talk about how to fix cars like this one, Chris Fix. And you never have to show your face. You can just have video stock footage, a script, and a voiceover. Or if you're fixing cars, you don't have to show your face. You can just show your hands and what you're doing with the car. So if you know something about cars, this would be a great channel idea. And this is one of the top advertisers on YouTube in the car niche because they again have highly targeted leads who are interested in cars. So companies like Carvana will pay really well to advertise on your videos. And you can monetize in other ways, and you can see Bladed Angel does not, but Chris Fix does. He links to products and tools he uses on Amazon, and of course he makes a commission when someone purchases through his link. And his videos get a lot of views, so he's making really good money through Google AdSense program. And you can see he started his channel back in 2008, but everyone has to start somewhere, right? And it's never too late for you to start a channel like this. And if you take a look at this, you can see he has over 1 billion views on his channel. So people really want to watch videos about how to fix their cars, right? And he links to his website where he sells merchandise as well. So several different ways he's making money through his channel, and really good money at that. The next high CPM niche is e-commerce software hosting. And the only channel I could really find in this niche is Santrel Media. These are brothers, and I know they will retire at a really young age because of what they have been able to do with investing in this YouTube channel. They do show their face, but you definitely would not have to. You could easily do a screen capture on this topic. You can see that these types of videos do get a lot of views, but of course, they do have a lot of subscribers, but again, everyone has to start from zero, right? And the great part about e-commerce software is you can get recurring income by placing affiliate links to the software in the description of your videos. And you can see how they do this in the description of their videos and earn that recurring income besides what they're making with Google AdSense, which is several $1,000s a month. The next high CPM is finance. And of course, this is a great channel to start because advertisers will pay a lot of money to place ads on your videos. An example channel is Economics Explained. So if you have an interest in finance or a background in finance, this would be a great choice of channel ideas for you. And you can see they're monetizing with affiliate links in the description of their videos, which you can as well. And if you don't know any programs in the finance niche, you can simply go to Google and type in finance affiliate programs and find affiliate programs you can join and earn money from those programs, as well as Google AdSense. And you can see these are some of the finance affiliate programs that you could join. And many finance companies offer high-paying affiliate programs for leads, new customers, and sales. The next high CPM niche is makeup. And an example channel is You're Gorgeous. And you can see they have other topics besides makeup, but I would recommend, if you want to get into this niche, to be very specific and just have it be about makeup. You could even have it be about makeup for over 50 years old. And of course, there's many ways to monetize with affiliate products from Amazon, or if you're part of a network marketing company that has makeup products, you could put a link to your products in the description of your video and make money from affiliate commissions besides Google AdSense. The next high CPM is web hosting software, and an example channel is Create WP Site. So if you want to learn about web hosting software and create a channel around this, you can go to the frequently asked questions of a software and create videos around the topics people have most questions about. And you can do this with a screen capture and never show your face like they do on this channel. And again, the great part about web hosting software is you can earn recurring income every month when someone purchases the software through your link. And you can see this is what this channel does, and here are the links in the description of their videos to purchase the software. And Wix and other software companies are willing to pay good money to acquire a customer through placing ads on your videos. And if we look at this channel, Ivan Mana, you can see he does tutorial videos on, for example, Click Magic frequently asked questions, and then he links to the software and earns a recurring income every month from people who take the free trial and then keep the software. The next high CPM niche is real estate. So if you're interested in this niche or a real estate agent, this would be a great channel idea. An example channel is Fortune Builders, and their channel is an education channel about real estate investment. And again, advertisers pay a lot of money in this niche to advertise on your channel. It looks like they linked to their blog and to a webinar, so that's another way that they're monetizing this channel. And if you aren't sure what affiliate programs are out there in real estate, do a Google search, which will show you the highest paying affiliate programs, which some pay up to 45% commissions and $20 a lead. So that's really good. So here's how to make even more money on your channel. As we talked about, placing affiliate links in the description will allow you to make even more money. I'm not sure why some channels don't have links, because they're missing out on making a lot more money. Then you want your videos to be at least 8 minutes, because then you can place an ad in the middle of your videos. Then if you have one channel going, you can have it translated into different languages using the same footage, but just having it translated in another language. This is how channels are making 2 to 3 times the amount or more. For example, you can see in this channel, Animal Wise has the same content translated into different channels. So if we click on right here where it says channels, and we scroll down, you can see Experto Animal, that's in a different language. This one, Animalpedia, Perito Animal. So those are all their channels that they have translated into different languages. Even though this is the animal niche, this can be applied to all the CPM niches we talked about in this video. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, guys. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make $500 per week from home with no money. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.